Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our next module number MECH underscore P underscore 052 underscore Douglas C. Gyan Kohli. Statement. A typical adult human lung contains about 300 million tiny cavities called alveoli. Estimate the average diameter of a single alveolus. Okay. Singular is alveolus, plural is alveoli. Alveoli. Okay. 300 million. 1 million is equal to 10 raised to the power 6. So it will be equal to 3.0 into 10 raised to the power 8. Okay. Dear students, in such estimation based problems, we have to make some assumptions. And on the basis of such assumptions, we reach our conclusion. Okay. Now we move on to next slide. Solution. In order to solve this problem, we make the following two assumptions. First assumption is that shape of alveoli is spherical. Okay? Shape of alveoli is spherical, and second assumption is that volume of lung is 2.00 liters. Dear students, here we can assume volume equal to 1 liter or 3 liter. Okay, but actually this estimated value is relatively close to actual value from bio point of view. Okay, we know from table of conversion factors that 1 liter is equal to 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 cubic meter cube. This implies that when 1 liter is equal to this, then definitely 2 liters will be equal to 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter cube. Okay. Dear students, in the last slide of this module, we will show a table of conversion factors in which various volumes will be compared. Okay. We know that volume of a sphere is given by V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This implies that we have put the what we are going to do in the next step. We are just putting the values in this formula. Okay, because volume is given. Okay, given in the sense that we have assumed 2 liter. Okay, and moreover we have to calculate answer of a single unit, while 2 liter is the total volume. Okay, so 2 liter, which becomes equal to 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 cubic meter volume divided by 3.00 into 10 raised to the power 8, because 300 million number of alveoli is given. Okay, so when we will divide the total number of alveoli by the assumed volume, we will get the volume of a single alveoli. Okay, so left hand side is quite clear. Okay, now we come towards the right hand side of this formula. 4 by 3 is a constant, pi is also constant. Okay, we have taken the value of pi only to 2 decimal places. Okay, We have previously mentioned many times that decimal representation of pi is non-terminating, non-repeating. It does not end. It goes endlessly. Okay. So it is our option whether we take up to 2 decimal places or 3 decimal places or 4 decimal places. Normally we take 2 decimal places. Okay. Normally we use pi equal to 3.14. Okay. Similarly, we know that r is equal to diameter by 2 because we are here concerned with diameter. So in place of radius r, we place d by 2 cube. Okay. When we simplify this, it will become, okay, this implies that after simplification, after calculation, this alternatively becomes equal to, this implies that 0.6666 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 meter cube is equal to 0.52 d cube. This implies that further simplification takes the form as, this implies that 1.28 divided by 10 raised to the power 11 meter cube is equal to d cube. Now in the next step, this implies that 1.28 divided by 10 raised to the power 11 raised to the power 1 by 3 cube root, okay, equal to d. What we have done, we have taken cube root on both sides. Okay, we have taken power 1 by 3 on both sides. In this way, m3 will be converted into simple m and d3 will be converted into simple d, while 1.28 divided by 10 raised to the power 11 will be covered by power 1 by 3. After simplification, this implies that diameter becomes equal to 2.34 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 meter, and this is the solution of our problem. However, in the next slide, we are going to show a table of conversion factors. Okay, this is the next slide in which we are showing a table regarding volume. Additional note. Okay, 1 liter is equal to 1.00 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter cube. Okay, so this is the end of our module. Okay.